Here's the babies. Today is June the 9th. Oh, today would have been Harley's birthday. But anyways, we'll think about something happy. We'll think about the babies. They were 3 weeks old yesterday. Then we play, and we romp, and we attack each other, and we just have a good old time. Yeah, we do. Let them play, Mama. Let them play. Get her. Go get Jim Jim. Meow said we can play, and Mama's not in the way. Mama's so jealous. She wants the attention. Don't want anybody else to get it.
I think somebody else would know.
See the mouth? We see the mouths, Jim Jim? We're biting. We're biting. We're biting. And we're smacking. Hey, I think they're getting teeth. Maybe not. Maybe just a big boy. No, I see teeth trying to come through. Oh, there's Turtle. Turtle was down. He rolled over. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, see, I'm going to eat my brother's ear. Yum, yum, yum. So these four are so active. But little teensy tiny down here, her not active. Her so little. Her so tiny. There him is. There's the little man that stays on him back. See, we's wild babies. We wild babies. Everybody needs wild babies, don't they? Yeah, everybody needs some more wild babies. I'm surprised the male Siamese one, he doesn't really play, but not today. He's going hog wild. Usually it's the black one and the black and white one right here, and then the little girl. Oh, did you see the black one jump? See, we're learning how to bounce. Look at Tiny. See, she's just so little. I'm worried to death about her. I came in the other day and she wasn't moving, and I moved her and touched her, and I'm like, oh my God, she's dead. I just about freaked out. Thank God she's not. And that little stinker on him back, I thought him was dead a couple of days ago, giving Chris a heart attack. She's trying to get away from him. You see how little? I just so little. I love it. I could sit in here. If my back didn't kill me, I'd sit in here all day and watch them.